Algebra I, 10.7a, rational equation word problems and time increments. We can solve problems by using rational equations. If it takes Emma 6 hours to paint her bedroom, then in 1 hour she'll have 1/6 of the job done. So if a job can be done in X hours, then in 1 hour, 1x of the job will be done. That increment will be done. And we can use any time increment we want. We can use days, weeks, years, minutes, seconds. So we can use 1 over t as 1 over the increment of time, the amount of time. So Emma can paint her bedroom in 6 hours. Tala can paint it in 3 hours. She's a lot quicker. She's older. Well, if they paint it together, how long will it take? So we think. We know how long it takes each of them to do it separately. We need to figure out how long it's going to take them together. So Emma can do 1/6 in 1 hour because it takes her 6 hours to do the whole thing. Tala can do 1/3 of the job in an hour because it takes her 3 hours to do the whole thing. So together, they can do 1/6 plus 1/3 in an hour. We just need to add 1/6 plus 1/3 and we'll know how much of the job they'll have done in an hour. We find the least common multiple for 1/6 and 1/3, and that's the 6. So we multiply the 3 times 2, and the numerator gets multiplied by 2, so we end up with 2/6 and 1/6. Well, that makes 3/6, and that's a half. So that means 1/2 is equal to 1 over t. So that means t is equal to 2. See? 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to t, so 2 is t. See? So they can paint the room together in 2 hours. Okay? All right, let's look at this next one. Bob can eat a large pizza by himself in 15 minutes. Dave can do it in 10 minutes. So how long will it take them to finish if they share one large pizza? So Bob eats 1/15 of the pizza in 1 minute, and Dave eats 1/10 of the pizza in 1 minute. So that means in 1 minute, they're going to eat 1/15 plus 1/10. We find the least common multiple for the 15th and the 10th, and we get 30. So what do we have to do to this 15 to get it to be a 30? We need to multiply it by 2, so we multiply the numerator by 2 also. And the 10 needs to be multiplied by 3, so we multiply the numerator by 3 also. And we get 2/30 plus 3/30. Then that means we have 5/30 is equal to 1 over that time increment. When we simplify, 5/30 is 1/6. The 1 is the 1. The 6 is the t, so 6 equals t. See? Bob and Dave can share and finish a large pizza in 6 minutes. That's pretty fast. They'd have to be hungry, wouldn't they? All right, our next video, number 10.7b, we're going to talk about rational equation word problems, and we're going to use a table. We're going to do distance, time, and rate. If you want to see the videos that we've done previously for this chapter 10, when we added unlike denominators using a pattern, or finding the least common multiple of these rational expressions, or solving rational equations, any of these, all these links are going to be in the description of this video, okay? All right, so let's see how we can solve distance, rate, and time using a table to help us do a word problem, okay? I'll see you there. Bye.